What's up, peoples? Oh, if you can hear speaking, it's because someone is actually making a video. Please subscribe to him. His YouTube channel name is Autism Bipolar. He has 5 subs because I just subscribed to him. So, guys, Goat Simulator. What's Goat Simulator again? So, Goat Simulator is a pretty old game. I'm only recording it because I've only had this game for like 2 days. And I got all the goats.
Make sure you stop.
Okay. Because now I'm going to play this level. Because it's really hard. Wait, when I say this is hard, this is Goat Simulator. So guys, I'm going to show you the last goat I've ever gotten in this game. The final goat I got was Hitchhiker. It's some stuff. One of my favorite goats, not this goat, this goat. Fastest goat! I have to jump on this truck. It's a scary truck. On you. Ow! Okay. How is this already a minute into recording? Oh yeah, no, I forgot to say 3, 2, 1 action before you start recording. Oh, okay. What did I just do? Oh, easy. No, you're not getting out of here. Without me jumping on you. No, not on it. No, I was on it. I was actually on it earlier. No! I'm staying here. There's an ostrich. Stop the car. Nothing can stop. Subscribing to you? I don't know how to do a giveaway.
Bye-bye. Subscribe.
No! Breaking down doors. Okay. Let's observe the wildlife. Oh look, the feather goat. Wait, what's it doing? What? Oh my gosh, it's an alien! Catch it! Catch the alien! It's running away! Get it! We're gonna get the alien! Wait, I'm the alien. Observe the wildlife of the alien space. The alien thing from space, whatever it is. Watch how it walks like an idiot. And does weird stuff. Because it's retarded. And it can't even look at anything. That's how dumb it is. You can't lick anything. You're stupid. Okay, it can lick stuff. But there's no tongue. It's invisible. And what is even happening? What is happening? This is the weirdest wildlife creature. Look at its lick. Not this stupid truck again. The feather goat approaches the truck. Well, this thing is still running. Feather goat appears and kills it. I don't know yet. Hold on. Look, I'm still recording. You're gonna get on this track one way or another. Let me on you. Let me on your stupid truck. No, you're not getting away again, truck. The feather goat is gonna get you. No, stop. No, no truck. I got on it. Good truck. Let's stay here. I'm gonna go wait for that stupid truck to come. Watch as the feather goat waits for the stupid truck to come. There you go. No. He sees a pig. What? Instead, freak it. He kicks it out of the world. And now he stalks, waiting for the truck to come back. So he can try to get on it. Waiting for the truck. Just one truck. But he blasted himself away with because he's retarded again. We all have to remember that this freaking thing is retarded. It's stalking itself. It's looking, waiting for a truck. But a car? That's not supposed to happen. It's supposed to be a truck. What is it? The flamingo dies. It's not even a flamingo, it's an ostrich. But yes, it dies. For no reason. But then the truck! It came! But then the flamingo! The stupid ostrich! The retarded ostrich won't be able to get on the truck! No, he can't. It gets hit by the truck. It starts running again. Why is it doing this? Oh no, it gets hit again! I don't think part 2. Part 2. Okay, it's part 2. Will it be able to get on the truck? It hits it, but fails. Will it be able to get on? And it's right here. Can it make it? No! It gets hit by the truck. It gets actually ran over by a stupid truck. Which is what they call trucking. The stupid... He got on it. No! He fell off at the last second. Now he starts running back. Like a retard. Because he is retarded. Remember that it's retarded. It doesn't know how to do anything. Even this rocket. It uses the stupid retarded rocket to fly a freak around. It uses a stupid freaking retarded rocket. You know I'm trying to make kids videos? It's a stupid freaking rocket. A stupid fucking rocket. I don't freaking care. It's a stupid rocket. Okay. Okay, actually, I hope this video doesn't get removed. Yeah, I don't care though. It's a stupid freaking rocket! Even though I got 11 subs. I don't want to get rid of any of my subs because at 20 subs, I'm going to do a face reveal. So, yeah. That's all I want to say right now. No! Just a flamingo. It's not even a flamingo. It's a stupid ostrich that's retarded. They call it a flamingo because it's retarded. Who even knows? It's retarded. Who even knows anymore? If I can get on the truck, this video will end. It got on the flamingo. What? Look at it. The majestic bird. It finally got on the truck. The retarded bird. It stalks all the natural enemies of the world. Humans. Why humans? I don't even know. Because it's retarded. Because it's freaking retarded. But now it finally got on the truck. Let's see what happens. As it starts going, it doesn't realize that. Oh my god, it's right over a human. A retarded human falls over. Well then, the flamingo is done. It stays. Why? It should have followed the stupid truck. This boat is retarded! Okay, try again. This time you won't run into that. Okay, go again. What? Retarded! Yes! Get hit by a car! Now it tries to jump on a car like an idiot. Because it's freaking retarded! Well, I hope this video doesn't get removed from YouTube. I really do. I just think it's a simulator video. This is actually probably the only... It sees the truck again. It's retarded, but it doesn't care. Because it runs away from the stupid retarded truck too. Because it wants to jump on cars now. Oh, that's even more freaking retarded. Most retarded bird in the world. Goes to Goat Simulator's ostrich. It makes it. But what? It falls off the car. So now it wants to go back on trucks. Will it be able to get on the final truck that appears for the day? If it does. Truck is here! Oh, I missed! But will it try again? It's trying again! The stupid fucking retarded thing is doing it again! Oh yeah, this video's getting taken from YouTube. Oh shit! This realized no driver! Oh yeah, this is obviously how all nature videos are. Except if it was in cities. This is what the truck driver will be saying. If there was one, hey, you stupid freaking retarded beard! Get the frick out of the fucking road! It's the last chance. for the bird, for the retarded fucking bird. I made it. But then it doesn't care. I runs back to stalk the truck again. This is the real final truck of the day. I needed to actually wait on another truck so I can end the stupid video. I don't want to be recording anymore. So just enjoy watching this. Because, and also in our next episode, we're going to be watching. No, it's the final truck. What is this stupid bird doing? Stupid bird. It does know that there's another truck. We'll just try to stop it. Because there's always a truck. It always just comes. Because it just disappears and then 5 seconds later, it comes back. Ow! But the stupid freaking bird gets hit by a stupid freaking car. Because everyone in this game is retarded. Yeah, when I jump on this truck, I'm probably going to have to end the video. Because I've been saying like bad words in it. Because it's freaking retarded. Wait, I have to do it in slow motion to make it easier. Truck is here. The stupid bird sees the truck, jumps up onto the truck. What is possible? Let the king get on it in slow motion. Just yeeted the truck. Yeeted itself over the freaking truck. Retarded bird. Yep, retarded bird. It's retarded bird. Yep, retarded bird. Stop being retarded, and we will make more about you. Retarded bird. Okay. I'm not even trying to do this anymore. I just want to jump on a truck again. I'm supposed to have the video over. I only want to jump on it once. And now the retarded bird wants to jump on it again. Because it knows that. I know. I have 3 minutes left. I can record for only 3 minutes more. What? That's it. Stupid bird. It's over. Oh yeah. See you guys. Bye.